So I thought I'd just take a quick second to show you how to operate the plunger on this, the syringe itself, how to basically calculate the dose that you need. I'm not telling you what dose to give your horse or anything like that. I'm just showing you how this operates. So if we take a look here, this whole tube treats up to 1,100 pounds, and that's what it claims on the website and everything else. So 1,100 pounds. Let's take a look here. A common dose for like mini horses might be 222 milligrams of fenbendazole. So if we wanted to calculate that, for example, the tube weight is 25 grams total of the product, 10% fenbendazole. So that's 100 milligrams per gram. So the total fenbendazole is 25 grams times 100 milligrams per gram is 2,500 milligrams of fenbendazole per tube. If we have the 2,500 milligrams and we want to do a 222 milligram dose, for example, that would give us 11.26 doses per tube. If we then take the total pounds of the tube that it can treat, which is 1,100, divide it by the 11.26 doses per tube, and we get basically every 97.7 or about 100 pounds on the tube will deliver the 222 milligrams of fenbendazole. So that would be our final calculation here. Now to actually dispense that, here is our little dosage ring that can twirl around. I make a mark on mine just so I can count how many times it circles around so you don't lose track. If you zero this tube out and you put the zero marking here so that it's flush with the base here, the ring can twirl around a total of 9.25 turns. So that's not quite a full turn per dose. So if we take the 9.25 turns and divide it by 11 doses that we'd be looking for out of the tube, we're going to get basically 7/8 of a turn will give us a 222 milligram dose of fenbendazole. For example, you can use whatever calculation you need for whatever weight you're dealing with. I'm just giving you an example of how you would calculate this depending on the weight that you're working with. So if you twist this all the way around, for example, how to actually do this, you would take the cap off, bottom this out gently. You don't have to be too rough with it. And there's the mark right there. And then I would basically do 7/8 of a turn. So spin that around to where it's going to end like somewhere around here. And then that amount right there would be a 222 milligram dose of fenbendazole. So hopefully this helps you in navigating how to actually use the plunger for whatever weight you're working with. And good product. Check it out. Thanks for watching.